Good morning, everyone. Arshad here. Today, I'm going to talk about index and match function, which is one of the most important and used functions in a day-to-day life for any data analyst or data scientist to do a lot of summarization of the data. So here we have two scenarios: one simple match and index function with row-wise, and here I show you how we'll do it. The use case is basically there is a data set which has a division and different apps uh, that are there for that division, and what are the revenue and profit these particular apps have generated. And we have a simple selection criteria here, wherein we do a drop down and we get the information. So this particular thing, how we have got it, is the simple method I have told in my previous videos. We go to data, we go to data validation, we go to we select option called list, and then we get a source that is comparatively that is going to populate the apps from B6 to B15, and then we just do an OK when we get this wonderful data validation list. And how we are going to get this particular thing division according to this particular app. So first we have to use the index function. Then we need to give the array from where we are getting this information, that is this column A, and then we have to give a match function to get the particular lookup value, and we need to give the array of the division, that is this particular the division is here. The lookup value is for the apps, and from where will we get the app name? We'll get the app name from the drop down, and then we need to do a exact match, and then we need to do two close parentheses for this particular thing to work. So yes, so I need to do a 0 here, and I got the particular division. So now as I change the division, it is working fairly good enough. So I'll repeat the same process for profit here. So I will just do a quick index. So now I will get what I'm trying to get from profit. I'm going to get this particular column here. And on what reference I'm getting this? So for that, I use a match function. The lookup value again is the app, and the lookup array is again this particular thing where we're getting the match, and then we're doing an exact match. So now as we select and change these particular things, the division and the profit are working uh, simultaneously. So this is a simple case with only one row. Suppose we had an option of an array like this particular thing that we have, wherein we need to get the particular value according to the dimensions of the rows and columns. So this is the second use case, the app 2, wherein when we are changing the app, and also when we are changing the matrices, the particular things are getting changed accordingly. So this particular thing can be obtained by an option of matching the rows, columns, and using the index function as well. So just to give you a brief, so how the matrix stores these values in an array for revenue and profit is shown here. So this particular thing that you see here, 469, when we call index and we put 3 and 2, it is going to give us 469. As we can see in this particular code here, I will just do the code again for you. Index, I give this lookup array, then I give 3 comma 2. So you can see I am getting uh, 469. So which means it is calling this. So now how I can encapsulate this logic in the index code, I will show you here. So basically index is also calling the same array here, D4 to D13, and then it is using getting 3 and 2, that information here that we have shown using the match function. So I'll just run the code again. So index, I picked up the array, then I do the match function, and I get the row number. So for row number, how will I get the row number here is I need to take the app. So the app is here. Then I need to check the lookup value, that is this particular column, and I need to do a match function. Similarly, one more match that I'm going to use is for the column. So for here, what is the lookup value? That is the revenue. And what is the array that we are trying to pick it up from is the particular C3 and D3. And then we do an exact match, and then we are closing the brackets accordingly. So here you can see 1790. So now suppose I select Perino and profit, then let's see what I get. I go to Perino, that is 3.2 that I want to show you, and then I do a profit. So you can see 469. So this particular way we can use the power of match and index to get our values automatically. So this is how it stores. So this is just a fundamental way to show right now this particular thing. Matrices are the one where it is stored, and this is the one that is stored. So that is the way we can do it. And this is just the start of how we can use the power of index and match. And that is how we will continue our practice and like, stay in tune for more such things in the next videos. I have just started my YouTube channel. Please have a look at that, and please follow me, and looking forward to share more such short informative videos on Excel. Thank you.